Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to make a Christmas cake. So first of all, let's prepare the dry fruits for the cake. In a large bowl, add 100 grams of dried figs, 100 grams of sliced dried apricots, 200 grams of seedless raisins, 150 grams of quartered glazed cherries, 200 grams of tutti frutti, 150 grams of chopped seedless dates, 150 grams of cashew nuts. Mix it all up. Now add 250 ml of brandy. And now mix it all up. You can change up the types of dry fruits and the quantities as you wish. Make sure to increase the amount of brandy as you increase the quantity of dried fruits. Transfer the soaked fruits to sterilized glass bottles and keep it in a dark place for at least 3 to 4 days. Now for the cake batter, make sure all the ingredients are at room temperature. This recipe is for two 1.3 kg cakes. Line 2 9x16 cake tins with butter paper. You can also use non-stick cake tins as well. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees centigrade or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 400 grams of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon of ground mixed spices, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon rind. Shift it all together and keep the shifted flour aside. Add 1 tablespoon of the shifted flour to 600 grams of mixed dry fruits. Mix it well and set it aside. Cream 350 grams of unsalted softened butter. Gradually beat in 350 grams of sugar until it's light and fluffy. Add 6 eggs a little at a time, beating well after each addition. Lightly fold in the shifted flour alternately with the fruit, nuts, and mixed peel until they are evenly distributed. The recipe for homemade mixed peel is given in the description box down below. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and mix it well. Finish it all up by adding 30 ml of brandy. Mix it well until it's evenly distributed. Transfer the batter to two lined cake tins. Make sure to fill only 2/3 of the cake tin. Hollow out the center with the back of a spoon so the cake will be leveled when cooked. Tap the tins slightly so as to remove any air bubbles. Place the tins in the preheated oven and bake at 150 degrees centigrade for 2.5 hours. When the cake is cooked, a skewer inserted in the center should come out clean. Keep the tins in a wire rack and let it cool for 1 hour. Carefully remove the cake from the tin. When cold, prick at intervals with a fine skewer and spoon a little brandy evenly over the surface. Keep the cake in an airtight container for at least 1 day before serving. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas!